I have saved tens of thousands of dollars on major appliances in my house, and you can too. I didn't start using this until 2018, but I had a unit that didn't work. I had an exterior and interior unit that did not work. One was completely out for several months waiting on a servicer to come in to make the repair. But those units, the interior and the exterior, and I'm saying unit, the exterior unit is called a compressor, the interior unit is a HVAC unit. Those alone together would have cost me about $12,000 to $13,000. That's a lot of money. I paid $300 to have those replaced. I knew that the service was a good service, but I was not using the warranty, and I was helping all kinds of people use the home warranty. So if you're in new construction, if you have warranties that are in place, you should be in good shape. But if your house is 7 to 10 years old or greater, you should get a home warranty. Because if I didn't use the home warranty, I know that I would have spent about $21,000, $22,000, because I've had interior unit replaced, exterior unit replaced, a new dishwasher, 3 vanity faucets replaced, and a kitchen faucet replaced. I've had my washer repaired, and I have a new refrigerator, brand new refrigerator. So some of us are right now dealing with issues with some of the major mechanics of the house. The home warranty is going to help you take care of that. If you've had a bad experience before, it's because you didn't have a good representative. I'm not actually a representative for the home warranty company, but I can help you get it ordered and for cheaper by you going through me. So I'm kind of like an affiliate for them. There's a deductible. So just know that you have a premium and you have a deductible, but the deductible is usually $75 to $125. It's not as much as paying for the servicer to come out and look at your plumbing, and then they charge you not just labor, but also for the part. Completely different. Now, if you are not a homeowner and you live in a rental property, that owner can obtain a home warranty. It just depends on the company, because not every company will cover a rental property or a property that's being lease purchased. But it is truly this simple. All you have to do is send me a message or go online, find a home warranty, look at the plans. If you're talking to me, we're going to look at the plans together and we'll get you set up on the best plan for you. It's that simple. Gonna save you thousands of dollars.